Hey guys, Josh here, and I've got some fun stuff for you today. Let's see, 4 hour is in a retracement. If we go to the daily, we got this longer term trend line rather. I guess it's been going now for 74 days. 30, 60, that's 2 months. So yeah, I guess that's long term. And it's held up quite well. We had bounces right here, like there's a very strong area right here. Another touch here, and looks like we're coming back up, trying to see what's going on. If we zoom in, we had a spinning top here. Maybe it could be a pin bar. Um, right now, this is what the daily's done so far today. Or no, I take that back. This was Friday. Um, so tiny little pin bar there. Um, So maybe we're gonna roll over and go down. I don't know. If we go down to the 4 hour, zoom back out. We've got a nice trend line here. Nice little channel actually, kind of forming. If you go to the daily, you can see it expanding, up here. But it's a nice channel as we're looking at it right now. The market just opened, gapped up a little bit from Friday's close. Um, if it keeps going up, we might hit this trend line up here. Otherwise, we'll wait for a break of this one, and that might send us south for a short trade. But we'll have to wait and see. If we go to the 1 hour, I got a bunch more trend lines in here. This one and this one are the channel. Um, And this one I thought was interesting. If it breaks, we might see this level. Might also come back down and see this level. The daily 5/8 has turned up, as we see here, so we could get a break upwards. Right now, I kind of think we're going to go sideways. If we jump over to another chart that I have, I've got the same um, lines on here. I got the RSI down here. We've got a trend line going from here to here to here. So we've got 4 points of contact, 5 points of contact on this trend line. So, um, and it's bouncing off of it now, breaking the 50 line on the RSI. So I don't know, maybe it's going to go up. But Bollinger Bands are tight. They're squeezed. And that kind of makes sense because tomorrow's Monday. It's the open of the week. Probably going to go sideways. Yeah, so I guess we'll just wait. Maybe, tomorrow we might be playing sells off the top of the Bollinger Bands on the 1 hour, buys off the bottom. It's about 25 pip range, so you could make some money. Um, let's see. Is that it? Go down to the 5 minute. You can see the 1 hour here is rolling over to the south side. Had a sell trade here. 5 pips, yay! Anyway, 5 minute doesn't really strike me as interesting. What I find interesting is the 1 hour and the 4 hour. I want to see a bullish candle on the 4 hour before I take a long trade. So, yeah. So we'll see what happens. We could come up and tag this trend line here. We've got a trend line from this point to this point, from these 2 points, and they correspond to the points on the RSI. And we'll see what happens. It could come up there and tag that and drop right back down, or it could break it. If it breaks it, we'll see it move up, maybe to this other trend line from the daily. So that's what I'm looking at. A lot of this way and that. My opinion has been, we're in a bullish or a bearish trend, overall, but we're moving up. We're counter trending against the main trend, so it's a little. Not sure how far it's going to counter trend, but when it turns around, I'd like to be there to catch it. That's what this is all about. So, and I know my analysis has been back and forth. We're getting conflicting signals. Like daily, Looks like it's retracing, you know, in a downtrend. We can see a rollover. Um, that's what I'd like to see. 1 hour, I'd like to see this trend line break and see it fall. Um, but we're in a bull, you know, we're in a retracement in a downtrend. So that's what we're doing. We're in a retracement on a downtrend. 4 hour, if this breaks the trend line and gives me a sell signal, I will gladly take that. What um, I think that's what I'd like to see. So I'm bearish. I'm gonna wait for it. Otherwise, if I get a good buy setup, I'll keep you guys posted. All right, take care, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.